Alright, so here's how to make a gorilla tag force fed stick. So first, you want to go to custom package. Well, you want to download the thing first. Then you just want to input this fire stick asset. Then you should have a fire stick right here. Then you just want to input the random cosmetic that you want it to be like not one of these. So it's like any on the update already. But if you want it to be like Candy again, Panorama. At the bottom. Yeah, right here. You just want to put that on, right there. Then you want to grab your force stick. Grab that. Then you just want to drag it, as a can again is, almost. Do that. Just drag it down a little. Then, when you did that, you just want to make sure it's in the right place. And when you have force fed where you want it, drag it over a little. Then you want to drag this to the candy cane right here. Then you want to remove the mask. Just aside that.